Once upon a time in a tiny village there lived a boy named Jack, who was known for his curiosity and adventurous spirit. Jack lived with his mother in a little cottage on their small farm. They were very poor, and all they had left was a cow named Daisy. One day, Jack's mother asked him to take Daisy to the market and sell her, hoping to get some money to buy food. As Jack walked to the market, he met an old man who offered him 5 magic beans in exchange for Daisy. Jack was intrigued by the promise of magic and decided to trade the cow for the beans. When Jack returned home and showed his mother the beans, she was very angry. In her frustration, she threw the beans out of the window. Jack felt sad and went to bed without supper. The next morning, Jack was amazed to see a gigantic beanstalk that had grown overnight, reaching high into the sky. Filled with curiosity, Jack decided to climb the beanstalk. He climbed and climbed until he reached the top, where he found a magical land in the clouds. In this magical land, there stood a huge castle. Jack, being the curious boy he was, decided to explore the castle. As he sneaked inside, he was greeted by the sight of a giantess. The kind giantess looked at Jack, and seeing that he was just a boy, decided to hide him from her husband, the giant. She gave him food and let him rest. However, when the giant came home, he could smell Jack and bellowed, I smell the blood of an Englishman." Jack hid in fear, but the giantess managed to calm her husband and sent him to sleep. While the giant was sleeping, Jack saw 3 treasures in the castle: a golden harp that played beautiful music on its own, a hen that laid golden eggs, and a sparkling bag of gold coins. Jack carefully took the treasures one by one and climbed down the beanstalk with them. When he reached the ground, Jack showed the treasures to his mother, who was overjoyed. She was no longer angry at Jack for trading the cow for the beans. The golden hen laid enough eggs to make them rich, the bag of gold kept them secure, and the harp filled their lives with beautiful music, bringing joy to their hearts. Jack and his mother lived happily ever after, never having to worry about food or money again, and Jack always wondered about the magical land above the clouds.